Okay, let's say the second question of homework 5. Given f, the function of xy is equal to a x squared y 1, and when x is bigger than or equal to 1, and 1 on x is smaller than y and smaller than x. The first part is to draw the non-zero definition region of fxy. From this function and the area of x and y, we can easily draw the figure like this. This straight line is y equal to x. And this curve is y equal to 1 on x, 1 in x. So we can say that this shadow area is the area definition region of the fxy. And the second part find is so that fxy is a valid joint density function. We know that if fxy is a valid joint density function, then the integral of this function in the area of x and y should be 1. So we can write the equation like this. And to solve this equation, we can do the integration part by part. And first we do the y part of this integration like this, and we get this one. So this is the x part of the integration. And then we can get this equation and solve out a is equal to 2. And third part is to find and draw the marginal density function of fx and fy. To find fx, we just integral this function of xy by dy, because y is from 1 in x to x, so we just integral dy in this area, and this equal to ln x in x squared. And we can draw the figure of fx like this. For fy, we can easily say that this is also the integral of this function in the area of dx from minus infinity to infinity. And when y is between 0 and 1, fy is equal to the integral of this function in the area of 1 in y to infinity, because we can say that when y is smaller than 0, the x should be larger than 1, so it should be from 1 in y, and we solve out this to be 1 in 2. And when y is bigger than 1, and fy is equal to the integral of the function from the area of y to infinity, and solve out to be 1 in 2y squared. And then we can draw the figure like this. And for the last part is to verify that fx and fy are valid density functions. It's the same with the first part. To prove that it is a density function, we just need the integral of the function is to be 1, and we can easily solve out that this function is 1, and this function plus the 1 in 2 is also 1. So fx and fy are valid density function. This is second question.